Beanies.
Yes, so kung naaalala niyo po, nung Grand Beaniverse, we sold beanies po, and nagbenta po kami ng beanies to raise funds po for Sagip Kapamilya, for ABS-CBN Foundation. At salamat sa inyo, Bloom, sa lahat po ng bumili at sumuporta dahil a portion of the sales ay mapupunta po sa ABS-CBN Foundation. So may mga matutulungan po tayong tao.
Grabe,
salamat,
no?
Blooms!
Blooms, palapakan po natin, our Nations Girl Group being true to their name, Nations Girl Group. And that being said, Beanie would love to present to ABS-CBN Foundation the total amount of 362,453 pesos 50 centavos donation from the sales of Beanie Beanies. On that note, can we call in the Managing Director of ABS-CBN Foundation, Ms. Berta Feliciano, to receive this amount from our girls. Palapakan po natin, Ms. Berta. Thank you. Okay, Ms. Berta. Good afternoon, Ms. Berta. Would you love to give a message to the girls and all the Blooms watching us right now? Would you love to give a message po on behalf of ABS-CBN Foundation?
Kasasabi ko lang, parang na-crash course ako dito sa Beaniverse. Dami ninyong ginawa, and then anniversary pa ninyo, tapos kayo pa nagbibigay ng tulong sa amin sa foundation. Maraming salamat talaga. Foundation Bloom na rin kami.
Thank you. We got this amount, this check, to be presented by Beanie to ABS-CBN Foundation. Okay, why don't we do the turnover? Ms. Berta, please receive the amount to our lovely girls. Ito talaga, 8 hanggang dulo. Tama ba? 8 hanggang dulo. Palakpakan po natin once again, Beanie, for donating that amount to ABS-CBN Foundation. Ms. Berta, maraming salamat po, and thank you so much, Beanie.